Welcome back. Continuing with the sample paper, question number 11. The area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to 8 is, now we can directly write pi r square because all of us know that the area of a circle is pi r square. But yes, it will be using AOI, application of integrals. If it is a 2-mark question, then you will have to do the method. Otherwise, for this, you can directly claim it as 8 pi square units for MCQ because there you are not showing the steps. Now, question 12, the direction ratios of the line 6x minus 2, 3y plus 1 and 2z minus 2 are. So, don't directly write the direction ratios here. You have to first convert it into standard form. Now, standard form is like x, so I'll take common 6, so it becomes x minus 2 by 6 equal to 3, y plus 1 by 3 and 2, z minus 1. So, x minus 2 by 6 I can write as 1 by 3 and this 6 I will take it down. Then y plus 1 by 3 we will take 1 by 3 down and z minus 1 by 2. So, the direction ratios are 1 by 6 is to 1 by 3 is to half. So, we can multiply it by 6 and reduce further and get your like 6, then 2, or 6, sorry, we'll multiply by 6. So we'll get 6 by 6, 6 by 3, and 6 by 2, which is 1 is to 2 is to 3. So, and you see the answer is 1, 2, 3. So you can, because all of them are proportional to each other, so you can reduce them by taking their LCM. Now coming to question 13, let x equal to 1, 2, 3 and a relation is defined like this. Then the minimum ordered pairs for which should be added in relation R to make it reflexive and symmetric are. So we have to think what should be added to make it symmetric or reflexive. Now see, if I have to make it reflexive and symmetric, we need to add 1, 1 also, 2, 2 and 3, 3 because otherwise it is not reflexive. So here the option given is 1, 1, 3, 3, 2, 2 is already there. So 1, 1, 3, 3 or 3, 1 and 2, 3. 2, 3 because 3, 2 is there. So we need to do 2, 3. So 3, 1 because 1, 3. So we need to do 3, 1. So that will make it reflexive and symmetric. Reflexive and symmetric. Okay. So here you see that both the options are correct. Both the options are correct. And this actually in certain school or boards, there are an option of multiple answers to be correct. Now, this is a sample of Kendriya Vidyalaya. So, there certain regions do have this policy. That's why they have given 2 options. Okay. But in CBSE boards, you will have only 1 option answer. In case you find that there are 2 options which are satisfying it, then give both the answers and write your reasons so that the correct one can be taken. For what value of k belongs to n, k3, 4k, 4 minus 3, 0, 1 is. So we have to find out the value of k. So determinant, we will find out the normal process of determinants is AB minus CD and hence k equal to plus minus 4 because square root, so both the values are possible. Question 15, A and B are square matrices of order 3 such that determinant of A is 1 and determinant of B is 3. So determinant of 3AB will be equal to your 3 cube because each row, from each row you'll be taking out 3 and then determinant of A, determinant of B. So 27 into 3 into 1. So the answer is 81. After that, if you go down, we have 16. If A equal to 5x, y dash 0, Then A equal to A transpose. So you'll equate it and find out the value of X equal to Y. The value of tan inverse root 3 plus cos inverse minus half corresponding to the principal branches. So here we had discussed such a question in the starting. So here we have to see that it corresponds to the principal value branch. Hence, pi by 3 is fine because it's the range of tan inverse is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and it corresponds to entire R. And cos inverse, but cos inverse cannot have a negative value because it is 0 to pi. The range is from 0 to pi. So we have to adjust it, make it pi minus pi by 3, get 2 pi by 3 and then calculate. What is the equation of a curve passing through 0, 1 and whose differential equation is given by this? So here he will be integrating and getting the solution. So we'll continue in my next video from question number 19. Keep tuned in.